Hey, David.
What?
Look at.
Hi. This is Mom's house. This is where Mom lives.
Where does David live?
Outside.
Where does Dad live?
In Tennessee. In the store.
Where does Dogzilla live?
Home.
Where does Annabelle live?
Out.
Where does Anna live?
In the house.
Where's the house?
Right there.
Whose house is that?
Mom's house.
Where's David's house?
It's very far away.
Where's...
Do you know?
Oh no. Where does the pumpkin live?
On the floor.
What's the pumpkin's name?
David.
And what's your name?
David. And I am here.
How old is Mom?
4.
What are you gonna do now?
To hug it. Love you, pumpkin. Mom, I say love you, pumpkin. Can you say that?
Love you, pumpkin.
Mom, I am watching the car come back.
And what is it doing?
Staying at the party.
The car is staying at the party?
And I will wait here and it's come back.
Okay. Where's Dad?
He's at the store.
What's he doing at the store?
We'll see all the candy.
He's seeing all the candy at the store?
Yeah.
And what are you doing?